Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I'm going to be doing another unboxing, and this time I'm going to be unboxing the OnePlus 8. So it's going to be pretty exciting, honestly. I haven't had a OnePlus 8, so this is going to be my first OnePlus device. I have used them, however, it wasn't mine. You know, I just got to test them out and stuff. This is going to be the first OnePlus phone that I have personally owned, and I have good feelings about this phone. I've heard many reviews on this phone, all of them saying that it's a really nice device, and I feel like I'm going to enjoy it as well. So I have the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant here, which is okay. I've used 128GB on basically all my devices so far, and I don't even use it up. So some of the specs on this phone, we do have a Snapdragon 865. Also, it has a 90Hz screen. It's a 1080p screen, however, it's still okay. 90Hz is going to be pretty nice. Other than that, there isn't much to talk about. There's some camera specs. So the main camera is 42 megapixels, and then we have a 16 megapixel ultra wide, I believe, and then we have a 5 megapixel macro camera. I think so. I'm not sure about that. So let's get on with it. The moment you've all been waiting for. So I have my razor right here, so I can just take these stickers off real quick, if I can manage to do that. Okay, so I believe I've gotten it out. Let's shake this out real quick. Come on. And come on. Boom. So packaging is really nice. I like this red design. Has an 8 logo right here and then OnePlus right there. So that's the front cover. And then when we first open it, we can see OnePlus's thing, never settle. They basically have that on everything. We have our phone first. Let's just get this out of here. I did get the green variant, the glacial green. Put that to the side. So let's first check out the accessories in the box. I believe there's a 30-watt fast charger on here. The warp charge, as they call it. So this probably has some manuals in here, I believe. Yeah, there's probably some manuals in there, so not to worry about that. We don't need that. It's not that important. We get a case, which is really nice. You know, I wish a lot more companies gave you cases. They have this clear TPU case. It has never settle on it. So it's great if you don't already have a case for the phone, and it just gets you out of the hassle of buying a case, unless you really want something different. So we have this little sticker right here. We'll take that off later. We have a red cable, the classic, the iconic design of OnePlus cables. So USB-A to USB-C, that's pretty nice. We have like this clip on it. We'll check those out later as well. And let us see our power brick. So it's in this little area right here. You just lift this flap up, which is pretty nice. And we're presented with our 30-watt fast charger, warp charger, I guess. Pretty nice design. Not the smallest, however, it is 30 watts, so that's okay. You're getting fast charging. Overall, the unboxing experience is pretty nice with OnePlus devices. From what I've seen and from the experience I'm having right now, I actually enjoy this unboxing. They have overall a nice design package, and then all the cables and stuff are set really nice. So let's put all these to the side real quick. Now let's check out our phone. The main part you guys were waiting for. So we can see we have this little packaging on here that is covering the fingerprint sensor. It gives you like an idea of where it is. So I'm gonna be quiet so we can hear this. So nothing much to that. Let's put that to the side as well, and we are greeted with our device. Let's check out the back. Dang, that's a beautiful device right there. Let me just take these stickers off. Okay, let's get them off. Nice. So we have the glacial green variant. It's a matte design. There is this interstellar, but I prefer the matte design. You know, honestly, I'd rather get a matte phone. And the other one, I believe it shines way too much. I feel like there's way too much shine on that phone and a lot of fingerprints anyways. So I feel like this phone is the best variant for me. I've had too many black color phones, so I kind of wanted to switch it up, get a different colored phone. And overall, this looks pretty nice. It looks more blue than green, but it's still a nice color. So obviously we have the OnePlus logo right there, and then it says OnePlus down there. We have a triple camera setup. Yeah, triple cameras. So we have our slider right here, the iconic OnePlus slider, which I wish a lot more companies implemented. So overall, this phone feels pretty nice. So, you know, let's turn this on real quick. Power button right there. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, so OnePlus. Just wait for that to turn on. Okay. So this does come with Android 10, I believe, and you can probably get the Android 11 update. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up real quick, and I'll get back to you guys and talk about what I feel about this phone. So I just got the phone set up now, and I guess I'm gonna be talking about what I feel about this phone. Honestly, I'm gonna be giving you guys my honest opinions on this. I didn't use it too much. I did just recently get it set up. So let's see what it is. So we obviously have our in-display fingerprint sensor, which is pretty nice, but you do have to wait for it to turn on. Overall, this phone, it feels very smooth, fluid. It's not lacking power anyways. It has a Snapdragon 855. It's still a really nice processor. 90 Hz display is actually really nice. You know, I've been on a 60 Hz display for a while now, and switching to 90 Hz actually feels really good. So overall, you know, I enjoy all the little small things on this phone. The camera might not be the best out there. However, camera-wise, you know, honestly, it's not a big deal for me. I still enjoy a phone even if the camera isn't the best out there. So the main thing that I liked about this phone was the ringer switch right here, which is really convenient. You know, it's very similar to what Apple has implemented, and it's actually really nice. So overall, this phone, it feels really nice. I definitely recommend it, especially for the price. I got this for around $611 with tax and everything. I did purchase it off Amazon, so I didn't directly go to the OnePlus store, but it's still the same price. So if you're looking to buy a phone that's at this price point, this phone is actually really good. I'd definitely go for this if I was looking for one of the phones. This would be one of the options that I would be looking for. But I can't give you guys too many thoughts on this since I did just set this phone up and I didn't get to use it too much. So in a day or two, I'm going to be giving you guys my initial thoughts on this phone after I get to use it for around a day or two. And I guess that's about it for this video. Unboxing experience, as I said, it was great. We even got a case with it, which is really nice. You know, let me just pop this on. Let's take that sticker off real quick. So overall, it's a really nice phone. I feel like I'm going to enjoy using this phone a lot, but we'll see. So I'll get back to you guys in a day or two with another video giving you guys my initial thoughts, and I guess that's where I'll be explaining what I actually feel about this phone, what I don't like, the pros and cons about it. So that's about it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.